On.
Dr. Young was heading up a project. It was big, lots of external funding. Here are the last notes she filed. I can't make sense of it. What does it mean?
Looks like she was experimenting on the Arkham patients. This new chemical only barely resembles the original Venom compound.
There are a number of changes that appear to amplify the strength of the drug. Multiple references to a Titan formula. Even a small amount could trigger a Venom-like transformation in the host, eliminating the need for the storage tank Bane requires.
Hang on. These notes aren't complete. The formula is missing. That must be the secret Dr. Young is hiding. If Joker gets his hands on this, he will create an army of 1,000 Banes.
My God. Is Joker crazy enough to do that? What am I saying? You've got to stop him.
I'm going after her. She was heading to the mansion with Cash. I'm going up top via the catacombs.
Sorry, boss. Took a little longer to find him than you figured it would.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll try and be more precise next time I'm planning an island takeover.
Hey, I didn't mean...
Criticism I can take. I mean, I'm not perfect. Well, come to think of it, I'm pretty close to perfect, aren't I? Where was I? Oh, yes. Criticism from a worm like you. A worm only crawling around.
Why are we the ones trying to open it? This ain't even the mate.
It's the bat!
You're kidding me, right? That thing's not a man. My God!
Hello. My name is Dr. Gretchen Whistler. Do you understand me?
Yeah, I hear you, bitch. So when's dinner? I'm getting hungry.
I've been digging deeper into Dr. Young. According to her bank records, there have been multiple payments starting last April until 2 months ago. Then nothing. The payments came from a company owned by Mr. Jack White.
One of Joker's oldest aliases. So, Joker pays Dr. Young to create his army, and then all of a sudden he stops. Doesn't make any sense.
Hey, this is weird. The payments to Dr. Young's account didn't stop exactly. They were declined. Dr. Young put a block on her account.
Sounds like she had a change of heart. She tried to block the payments. Joker doesn't like it when his partners try to back out.
So he decided to get himself back to Arkham, find his formula, and create the army himself.
Exactly.
I've hacked into her email accounts. 2 mails stand out. The first is a resignation letter dated last week. Sounds like she was trying to get away.
And the second?
A message from Joker. Well, Jack White. It's a long thread. She's begging to stop the experiment, says it's too dangerous. He's not listening. Let's see. Random threats to her family, a couple of bad jokes, a picture of a dead baby, and a threat.
Go on.
He says, I'm coming for you, I want what I paid for. And then another joke about wheelchairs. Lovely. And a drawing of some kind of donkey.
No mystery why she's so scared. I'm coming up to the surface. I'll find her.
Challenge completed. Can you do more? So what was it that gave it away? The big green glowing question mark?
Patient name Waylon Jones, a.k.a. Killer Croc.
So, is this the part where you try and reason with me? Find out why I did it, Doc.
We're here to help you, Mr. Jones.
You got a cure for me then, Doc? Can you make me normal?
Normal is a poor choice of words. No one's really normal, are they?
Figured as much. So, how about this, Doc? You let me go now, and I won't eat you.
You don't really eat people. It's just an urban myth.
Oh, you think? Keep believing that, Doc.
So the great detective has solved a mere 10% of my challenges. Are you ready to give up yet?
Ding dong! Joker again? Don't worry about that. Put a few surprises along the way if he decides to turn up and spoil the fun. Oh, and if you hear a shot in the dark, don't worry. There's very little chance of you getting hurt. That I'm after. Still, you might want to check your health insurance. Who am I kidding? You don't have any!
Snipers. Looks like the Blackgate thugs have access to the armory.
It's the sound of me laughing at your success. Oh, you can't. Because an idiot would have found that trophy.
It's the bear! Go! That's You're gonna bleed out!
that is back. I've got a couple of men in the guard towers covering your movements. But be careful. They're both loose cannons, itchy trigger fingers, and, well, you know, accidents do happen. Any of them, killers, gamers, and murderers that are not yet in the old mansion, hurry up, you fools, before I feed you to the man himself!
Bye-bye, Beth. Mwah!
I seem to be losing men like there's a plague in town. I guess the bat is back. I've got a couple of men in the guard tower. Covering your movements. But be careful. They're both loose cannons, itchy trigger fingers, and, well, you know.
Isn't that cute? Little bats are sleeping. Someone finish him off.
I seem to be losing men like there's a plague in town. I guess the bat is back. I've got a couple of men in the guard towers covering your movements. But be careful. They're both loose cannons, itchy trigger fingers, and, well, you know, accidents do happen.
Take patient interview. Subject has no recorded name. Alias listed as the Joker. In the room is Warden Sharp and myself, Dr. Young.
Oh, is this another one of those boring psych evaluation tests?
No, it's not. So, you're the famous Joker.
In the flesh. So, Doc, do you want me to look at the ink blots again? The first one is a kitten I had when I was a child. The second is, let's see, a dead elephant. The third is a...
Funny. Now let's skip the jokes.
Skip the jokes? Hey, Sharpie, didn't she get my permanent record?
Be quiet, clown.
Every doctor that has ever interviewed you claims a different type of psychosis. Everything from multiple personality disorders to, well, the list is endless.
I do my best.
Well, I don't believe it. Anything can be cured given the correct treatment.
And you think you can cure me?
Oh, I know I can.
Any available psychos, killers, maimers, and murderers that are not yet in the old mansion? Hurry up, you fools, before I feed you to the man himself!
Someone help Bat Baby up off the floor.
I seem to be losing men like there's a plague in town. I guess the bat is back. I've got a couple of men in the guard towers covering your movements. But be careful. They're those loose cannons. Itchy trigger fingers and, well, you know, accidents do happen. Please remember from any side rebels. I hear the asylums.
Take patient. Take patient interview. Subject has no recorded name. Alias listed as the Joker. In the room is Warden Sharp and myself, Dr. Young.
Is this another one of those boring psych evaluation tests?
No, it's not. So, you're the famous Joker.
In the flesh. So, Doc, you want me to look at the ink blots again? The first one is the Joker here. Now that I'm in charge, back on the place. And I hope you don't task. Any available. Psychos, killers, maimers, and murderers that are not yet in the old mansion.
Well, look who it is.
Yeah, big bad Batman. Come on, tough guy. Come and get us.
Oh, look at him. Stuck out there. Ain't you got a cat to rescue from a tree or something?
That's right. Go on, get lost. We're in control. The Joker will finish you off.
Got to be another way in. There always is. Just need to look around.
Joker here. Now that I'm in charge, I'd like to hear all your feedback on the place. I'm especially proud of the decor, and I hope it helps you all become more productive in our task. Any available psychos, killers, maimers, and murderers that are not yet in the...
Yeah, I can't believe Batman just left.
Yeah, the stinking coward limped off, caved between his legs. If he tried to come through it, he wouldn't stand a chance.
Huh?
not talking. She's in the documents somewhere in the mansion. I want it found. I've got a plan or six to loosen her tongue, but in the meantime, search every nook and cranny. There's a prize for whoever finds them.
I need to find those notes before Joker does.
Hurry up and find them. Right. Where is it? Don't stop, just find it. Go! You're gonna bleed out your face! You're gonna bleed that! Gonna stick this soap bar up your ass, you want some of this? I'm gonna pulverize you! Yeah, hit again!
Easy! A blind man would have stumbled over that one.
boss's plans.
She looked scared. Maybe she knew what was coming.
Maybe. I heard he's brought someone in to deal with her.
He should ask me. I'd have made it talk. It would have been fun.
Yeah.
My family's blood ran through the heart of Gotham. We were doctors.
It's the Bat!
Welcome to the Arkham Library. So important to management here, but there is not to drive anyone crazy!
Oh, you found that one? Sorry, it wasn't much of a challenge. I was running out of time.
Frustrating. Thought it was going to be easy, didn't you? Has tonight taught you nothing? In 2 minutes, the room will fill with happy gas. The audience will be in fits of ecstasy, and then die.
1 minute 30 to go. Gotta say, I'm getting bored already. Maybe I should just press the button and...
This floor isn't as old as it looks. Reinforced glass with steel supports. The colors are just printed on. The gel won't break it.
Do you really think I'd let you take the stairs? Remember the hostages? They're entering their final 60 seconds of remembering to breathe. Tick-tock, tick-tock! Just 30 seconds left. I hope all that running about hasn't ruined that exquisite costume of yours. Only kidding.
Thank you, Batman. Are they all gone?
Yes, you're safe. What happened?
It all happened so fast. Some patients broke in, began tearing up the place, like they were looking for something. Bill here fought back, but there were too many. They took Dr. Young. She rushed in here and they followed.
I'm sorry. When I came to, we were all tied up. Doc Young was gone.
What's going on?
go?
I don't know.
Answer me!
I said I don't know! She could be any...
What's that collar do? Why is it making that noise?
It's the suicide collar, but it sounds weird.
Suicide collar?
Well, they've got some other name, but, well, we just use them to monitor patients' heartbeats. If it drops too low, the alarm goes off and a crash team rushes in.
And so does my crew if you trigger one. How do you like them apples, bats? Standing around in the... let's see... the West Wing. They'd be there now if they weren't busy knocking a little sense into cash. I'll tell you what, I won't spoil the surprise and let them know you're coming.
You're gonna need more than that. Why, you? Get Joker on the radio. Tell him something. Tell us what it is. Tell us, or we'll cut off your other hand. Do what you want. I'm not talking.
Sure you will. Harley Quinn is on her way up here soon. She knows ways to loosen your tongue.
You don't want to find out how she does it. I see him! Could come from anywhere! Wait up, I'll watch your back. He's above us, in the air! He's gone, we lost him! But remember, he could come from anywhere. Stay alert!
Come on, find him! It's just an old room full of books! How hard you...
It's up there, above us! Oh God, I lost him! Wait up! I'll watch your back!
Have you checked the timesheets? I'm sure there were more of you at the beginning of the day.
You heard, Joker! Man down! Going up into the rafters!
It's 5 down to Batman. I'm losing my patience. Where is he? Is he above you?
What are you? Batman, we're tied up. Need help.
Thanks.
Where did Dr. Young go?
I told her to run. These guys came in looking for her. I told her to go to her office and hide.
Does she keep her records there?
I guess. She was pretty desperate to get in there. Her office is over there.
How long ago was this? I need to find her notes before Joker gets his hands on them.
20 minutes, maybe more. What's so important about the notes?
Joker wants them. That makes them important. Stay here. I'm going to find her.
Not a problem. I'll try the radio, see if anyone else is around.
Thanks for the help back there.
Arkham Control, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Someone... Please respond. Hello? Hello? Can anyone on this channel please respond?
Going after the notes yourself, eh, Bats? Good luck. I've got a crew. Tell the doctor as I speak. They'll squeeze the formula out of it soon enough. Not to mention the army of clowns ripping this place apart. One way or another, the formula will be mine. Why don't you just give up? Go on, roll over and die for once. Be your best friend.
Open!
Hold on! I think I've got it. Yeah, you said that 10 minutes ago.
You can be the one to tell him I'm not gonna.
It'll be open any second. Damn it! You're an idiot. Joker's not gonna be happy, and you know what that means. Quiet! Just shut up! I'm trying! I'm
running out of time. Just do it.
I'm gonna pulverize you!
Joker's thugs were trying to get into that office.
It looks like they couldn't get through the main door. Got to find a different way in. Someone has already got to the safe. The only question now is, who opened it? No sign of forced entry. Whoever opened it knew the combination. Let's see.
Good. Dr. Young got to her notes before Joker. She's taken them to hide somewhere. I need to follow her and find out where she put them.